Hey there everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Haley. Thank you so much for joining me today. I truly do appreciate it. So I finally kind of ventured out of the house. I went to Ulta to pick up some shampoo and conditioner for their big sale. Of course, I browsed the makeup because I kind of, deep down, I wanted to do like a complete shopping spree because I've been trying to get rid of old things and kind of restock with new ones, but I didn't. I only bought one thing. And that is something that I have been looking for a very long time, and I finally got my hands on it. Here we go. The Loreal Infallible 24-Hour Fresh Wear Powder Foundation. You know me, you know your girl is a powder foundation girl. I don't do liquid foundations very often. I never do creams or sticks or anything like that. Powder foundation is my go-to and has been my whole life. I like the ease of it. I like the look and texture of it. I like that it doesn't clog up my pores as much and feels so heavy and just greasy on my face. So I've always loved powder foundations, and of course this one went viral. I saw it. It was sold out everywhere forever, even at the Ulta that I went to. This was the lightest shade that they had, and everything else was sold out, and I think it actually matches perfectly. I was kind of like, it doesn't look exactly right. It looks close, but I did do a little swatch, and I think it matches perfectly. This is in the shade 130 True Beige. So I'm super excited to try this. So here we go. It looks like this. Very, very nice. It also has a mirror. Also has a mirror on the inside, and it comes with a little sponge applicator. I am going to use the sponge. I usually do. Just me personally, I know I see tons of people using brushes to put this on. I don't think brushes give you any coverage. I think the sponge gives you the most coverage. So I am going to try this. I have everything done on my face except for the foundation and blush and stuff. I usually put that on after. So I do have concealer on. My eyes are done. So I'm ready to jump into this and get started. Like I said, I think this is going to be a good match. So I'm going to go ahead and just swirl this around here. Try to pick up a lot of product. Let's use the mirror it came with, shall we? Okay. Can we see a difference in my forehead so far? Ooh, let's do half the face. Let's just do half the face like this. I'm not blown away so far. It doesn't mean I don't like it. I don't know. Like now looking at this, it's like the videos that I'm seeing online, they almost look edited because my face looks nothing like those right now. I don't know, it just looks like an average powder foundation to me. Okay, well I just did like this half of my face. I don't think it looks too much different. I don't know, like you can tell I have something on, but let's go ahead and finish the face, I guess. I feel like not a lot is a lot is coming off on the sponge here, but not a lot is coming off on my face, if that makes sense. Like it looks like there's still so much on here, but like nothing's coming off. Maybe I should have tried a brush. Okay, well here is just the quick application of the foundation on my face. It definitely looks smooth. I think it looks smoother. I don't know. I don't want to say I'm disappointed because I'm not. I really like this. But I guess when I was seeing it online, it almost looked like the people's faces were like blurred or airbrushed out. I don't think mine looks like that. So that almost makes me wonder if, I don't know, those videos are edited because mine definitely doesn't look like that flawless, super flawless airbrush. I mean, it looks really nice, don't get me wrong. It does look really nice. Really nice, but I don't know, it just wasn't what I was expecting, I guess. Let's go ahead and grab some blush and see how that applies on top. I went ahead and grabbed some blush. This is the Ofra and Madison Miller in the shade Sweet Stuff. Just gonna go big brush here. I did choose a powder blush because I figured powder and powder, you know, keep it like-minded, you know? Okay. That's a little different. That is a little different. So, this seems to be applying very, very nicely. Like, wow. I'm really surprised. Like, the powder blush goes on really nicely with this. With some other powder foundations that I have, like, I feel like my blush does not stick to it that well. Holy cow. That, like, almost enhanced this, I feel like. I used the same amount that I normally do, but it normally doesn't look like that. Alright, so overall, I really like this. Like I said, I'm kind of disappointed because it didn't do as much as I thought it would, but that doesn't mean I don't like it. I really do like this. I will be grabbing for this every single day. I don't think it's as good as the Makeup Forever. I really don't, but it's definitely a close second. It is really good. It just wasn't exactly what I was expecting. It doesn't look cakey or anything. Like, really, it looks a little bit right here just because I had some chapstick on and it kind of gathered in the chapstick. But I mean, it doesn't look cakey or powdery on my face at all, which I really like. It just wasn't as blurring as I was expecting it to be, but overall, I can dig it. It does look really nice on the skin, I can't lie. And the shade match was actually spot on. I'm kind of shook by the fact that this was like the only light color left and it just happens to match perfectly. I'm kind of shocked. I'm being such a negative Nancy's in videos lately because I'm like, oh, it's not that good, it's not that good, it's not that great. I don't know, maybe I just have super high expectations when products like this go viral and everybody loves it, it's sold out everywhere. I don't know, I guess it just, I don't know. Didn't live up to the full hype that I was expecting, but doesn't mean it's not good. It is still really good. I would definitely recommend this. This one was $15 at Ulta. Kind of pricey, to be honest. I mean, but it's still like half the price of the Makeup Forever. So, I mean, I personally would call this a dupe. It's not, like I said, it's not exactly the same. I do still think the Makeup Forever is a little bit better. However, like I said, this is really, and the products on top are sitting really nicely. Hi, Haley coming at you here on my phone. I just wanted to throw in an update before the video ends because this foundation says that it's waterproof. I just had a pretty good cry session. My concealer did not last, but the foundation did. You can kind of see like right here my concealer was like bleeding. But I was like wiping right here. Foundation is good. Alright, you guys, that's it for this video today. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know if you have actually tried this and what your thoughts were, if you liked it as much as you were expecting with all of the hype around it. Thank you so much for joining me today. Stick around for more videos and I'll see you soon.